microphone connected. Okay, do I have everything with me? Yep. It's about almost ready.
Oh, it took longer than I expected.
So I don't know if this recording or not, but hopefully the sound quality is a lot better. As soon as I get out of this garage, I'm gonna tell you guys the plans for today. Okay. It's been a while actually. Oh man, I gotta love summer. Well, let's back up a little bit. So I just released the first episode of the vlog working towards getting my license, but spoiler alert,
I got it.
I already got the license, and that's because all that footage was from last year. I have the equipment either to go out, and I didn't have a GoPro. I was recording on my phone, but now I have everything. I got the GoPro, I got the microphone,
We got everything we need.
So the next episodes are basically gonna be just small clips from the beginning. I mean, the end of last year, where I started with a driving instructor and so working on towards getting the license. So I hope you guys keep on watching and enjoying the content, even though I already have it. I mean, I already have the license, but I'm gonna try my best to make it as entertaining as possible.
Clips you never saw.
I just had my first drive with the bike. I think I'm still shaky a little bit, and it's not because I don't know how to drive it. It just, I mean, you can feel the power. You can feel the power, but it's surprisingly easy to drive this bike. I thought it would be a bit harder. If somebody asked me, do you regret buying it? I would say I regret not buying it sooner. Yeah, I'm pretty fucking happy, and it's really nice weather today.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, and I'm gonna see if I can get any friends of mine to come on over and actually go out and drive it for maybe a bit longer distance, and maybe take it out to the downtown and try driving in around there and see. And then overall, I'm kind of still in like, not, I don't know how to describe the feeling. I'm just so happy. And people say that money that doesn't buy happiness. Well,
I love buying things so much.
you haven't ridden a Ducati Panigale V2, I guess. And yeah, that's about it. See if we can take it out for a spin a bit later too. Man, I'm fucking in love with this fucking bike over here. Overall, I can still feel some what's it called? I don't know, it's just me being not so used to driving a motorcycle. My hands are kind of worn out, but it's a super easy bike to ride. Oh man, what else? I think I have to drive over to the gas station and fill it up with some gas, and then I'm gonna head back home and park it for tonight, and then maybe to take it out for a test drive tomorrow. But we'll see.
The next day.
Alright guys, I'm here at Sigma Motors, a dealership in my town, and actually I'm gonna go inside and buy some motorcycle gear. Here we are, gonna look what they have in the inventory and see if we can find something that is matching my my ride. Shoes. I need to have a matching set, to be honest. So now I'm back home. As you guys remember, it was actually yesterday, so I didn't have time to record it until now. But I went on to my local dealership and picked up some motorcycle gear. I got the Speedy leather To be honest, I don't know what it's called in English. I gotta stop doing this fucking clapping things. What else did I get? Well, I got these gloves. They look pretty cool and pretty comfortable wearing them. That's the what's it called? Holy shit! It says right here. Well, this is for the chest, and this is for the back. I don't need to tell you that, but instead, and I got myself a brand new helmet. It's actually exactly the same that I have been using. The only difference is that this is actually my own, because I was borrowing the other one from my brother. I haven't gotten the boots yet. I'm gonna go today and pick up the boots. They didn't have it, so they had to ship it over. But so far, this is how it looks like.
This actually does look pretty good though, for real.
And that's it for now, guys. So that's me in my full gear. Damn, I look cool. Hey! Do I look like Batman? Yeah, I look like Batman.
I'm Batman.
So I'm gonna go in out for a driving. So see you guys soon. My motorcycle license exam. So today is gonna be the first time ever me driving legally. It feels really good, but at the same time, there was this thing with not having the license. There was this rush because you know that you're not allowed to ride, but you still do. But at the same time, it's good. It's nice to be done. I finally have not having to wait for people all the time to have time to go out and take a trip. Now I can drive whenever I want. I mean, the weather is not ideal, but I just got the license. What can I do? I have to ride it at least once, you know. So But I gotta invest in some more easier getting in and out riding gear, to be honest, because this